Are you curious about one of the most epic rescue missions ever? Let's explore Genesis chapter 7. God tells Noah to build an ark because a massive flood is coming. Noah, his family, and 2 of every animal are to board the ark. When the time comes, rain pours for 40 days and 40 nights. The floodwaters rise, covering even the tallest mountains. But Noah, his family, and all the animals are safe inside the ark. They float on the water for 150 days, waiting for the flood to recede. Genesis chapter 7 shows us the importance of faith and obedience. Noah trusted God and followed his instructions, saving his family and the animals from the flood. And that's the story of the great flood in Genesis chapter 7.